Kundu.
कुंडू ओके. गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, माय नेम इज अभिनव
गुड
कुंडू.
आफ्टरनून हो गया है.
अच्छा ठीक है.
Please
गुड आफ्टरनून
don't
फ्रेंड्स.
interfere in between Anand.
ओके,
अरे
गुड
नहीं
आफ्टरनून
मतलब
फ्रेंड्स.
सॉरी कंटिन्यू.
Good afternoon, friends. My name is Abhinav Kundu. I am glad that I got the opportunity to start the topic. So our topic is Atmanirbhar, call for self-reliance. It is a very interesting topic, and so I am giving a little intro about it. That what is Atmanirbhar? In May 2020, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi gave introduced the this Atmanirbhar uh, uh, Atmanirbhar Atmanirbhar
Bharat.
पॉलिसी.
policy. Yeah. Atmanirbhar policy, Bharat Abhiyan, what people say, and it was literally announced that it was main objective was to make the India self-reliant and to provide the economy some benefit, so that as our economy was badly affected due to COVID-19, so for that reason it will gain some economy. For that reason it was mainly introduced. And while announcing that policy, it mainly focused on the land, labor, liquidity, and loss. And these mainly benefits the labor, or for it we can like many companies can get the loan also from it. So these are little introduction I provide to you. So I request everyone to uh, move forward with this GD.
Okay, greetings of the day. So I would like to introduce the topic, today's topic. So the topic is Atmanirbhar Bharat, call for self-reliance. So it is one of the government policy launched recently by our NDA government. The target of this policy was the motto of vocal for local. Basically, it is rightly on the path or vision of Mahatma Gandhi. That is the Swadeshi product. That is the government urges the people to use or purchase the Swadeshi product and the boycott huge amount of Chinese product. But also to manufacture that type of products which is needed to be means import from other country to make within the country. So that is the motto or the introduction regarding this topic. So I would like to everyone to introduce here.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for the opportunity. The today's topic is really interesting and worth discussing. It is Atmanirbhar Bharat, which we all want to be in our life. It was introduced by our Prime Minister Ji Modi Ji during the lockdown period. It was also uh, launched before also by the name of Make in India, but it was not so much effective unless the lockdown was held and the effect of China on the market was increasing. So our prime minister and our government decided that some steps have to be taken so that the people of our India can grow and grow their business so that we can all be profited by it. The money of the country will stay in the country and will be rotated among the people of the country. So it will help the country to grow their GDP, as we have seen that in lockdown there is a very huge uh, degradation of the GDP graph. So to overcome this, we all decided that Atmanirbhar Bharat is the step to be taken. But as we start the GD, there is a question which I want to raise, that is Atmanirbhar Bharat success or not? So I welcome you all to join the GD and discuss your opinion.
So I would like to give some valuable points here that the China, well known for the huge electronics market, which has already have a very large plastic manufacturing industry, including with the big car assembly lines. So the vision or the motto, as I have already told, that the motto of the government was or is to build or the make that products which needed to be imported from other country within the country. So for that step, Ratan Tata, our honorable Tata organization chief, has taken some steps regarding the car manufacturing industry. He has already set up some big assembly lines within the country, so that we should be less reliable to the other country. So that was I would
Yes,
like to
Tata
introduce
even
here.
have introduced a new factory in Tamil Nadu for the manufacturing of mobile phones. And Tata is also, as you have taken the name of Tata, Tata have also started the electric vehicle production, which the Tesla have also came in India. But if we follow Atmanirbhar Bharat, then we should first prefer to the our Indian Tesla, which is Tata, and also if talking about Atmanirbhar Bharat, we have proved at a lot time that we can do better if we get chance. If you talk about the
Yeah,
PPE kits, if you talk about the PPE kits, the amount of PPE kit in India in the starting of the lockdown was very low. The need of the PPE kit was very high and the price was also very high. But this was
yeah.
the
As
opportunity taken by the Indians, and the huge amount of PPE kit were produced, which were distributed all over India at a very low cost. So these are all the Atmanirbhar Bharat movements for the India to
Yeah,
celebrate.
as Atul, as
Yes.
you have thrown a question that is Atmanirbhar has been successful or not. So on that context, I want to say few points that yeah, it is successful partially, not fully, because as our Prime Minister has suddenly introduced that the 500 notes, the 1000 notes will not be will be hijacked, will be taken, and in that case 2000 rupees notes will be provided. In that case, the cash flow in the market, that is you will also notice that the selling of the cards has nowadays decreased a lot, as there is a flow of the money in the market, as there is flow, so that flow has been stopped due to that what policy that president has given.
Here,
And
I would like to interrupt Abhinav regarding the selling of the car. As I would be happy to say that the data regarding the Maruti Suzuki Swift has been introduced in the past 10 days, that the
Yes.
most selling car in India. I think that 12 to 13 lakhs of models has
Of
been
just of
sold.
Suzuki. Of just of Suzuki.
Maruti Suzuki Swift.
Yes.
So the car industry is playing well. I think that
Yes, it
that was
was.
being
Yes,
hampered by
the
some.
car industry was shut down in the mid of lockdown due to there was no traffic. So no people were getting out of home. So why will they buy a car? And then the situation
Yes.
of our income was also very low. But if we then also if we see in the last November, as my friend said, that the data was launched, in there we can see that the number of cars was enough. It was in lakhs. It was in lakhs. How can you say that the car industry is shut down? Even the new car factories are launching. One of the car company, Tesla, you have seen that the CEO of that company has become the world's richest man in just 1 year. He have earned 163 billion and more than that dollars. So how can you
Okay,
say
so I
that
would
the
like to
yes.
add here some more example regarding the market of mobile industry. As we all know regarding the Xiaomi, which has already overtaken the mobile market, has now been defeated by the
Yes.
Indian company Micromax.
And
Micromax
also
has
the new
recently
mobile
launched
Lava
some.
has been launched. Yes,
Yes,
recently.
yes. Lava has also launched some new featured mobile, which is
Yes.
just competing the Xiaomi market. So that was my point.
Yes, now as the there is the, as I said that the opportunity must be given to the Indians, then they will show that how much capable they are. Have you seen the
Yes, and
Lava? They are launching a new campaign that a user can select their mobile with their own choice if they want something to,
configuration of their
yes,
own choice.
configuration of the mobile. This idea was not produced by any of the company. It was first taken by the Indian company Lava. It is very proud moment for us. These are all the effects of Atmanirbhar Bharat.
Yes, as we were discussing regarding the lockdown and the coronavirus COVID-19. So So I would like to happily say that the our own research center in placed in Gujarat, Maharashtra, and South area, the research center have already made some vaccines, that is the Covaxin, and many more companies has been successfully given the trial period of the vaccines, which will be soon in the market. So that is the proud moment for us, that the Swadeshi product, that the made in India products have been very good. Have been running very successfully. So
Yes,
that
if
was the
talking
point.
about the vaccines, if I said at the largest producer of the vaccine in the world, I am talking about in the world, is in our India. It is Serum Institute of
Yes,
India. It is Serum Institute,
which is
which
in
is,
Maharashtra.
yes, which is also producing lakhs and crores of units of vaccines. It have communicated with the Oxford, so that the because the Oxford don't have the capability to produce so much, so they have given the tender to the Serum Institute to produce the vaccine and distribute all over the India. Even the other countries from the India are coming and saying that Serum, please give us vaccines.
So my friend Atul has introduced the example of Tesla. So I would like to give some more point here regarding the Tesla, that the taxation regarding the import by our government has given 100% for
Yes,
the cars which has already been means in the
made
running
it
mode.
already a ready-made
Ha,
car. Yes,
ready-made running mode, which have to be import from other
yes,
country. The government has imposed 100% tax. But if they would
assemble in India.
they import their parts and make within India, so the taxation will be relaxed. So that is a very great movement taken by our government.
Yes, it will increase the employment in the country.
Employment as well as the economic rate will
Yes,
also be
and talking
increased.
about the Atmanirbharta, even in the Bihar region, we have seen that there are a lot of people which are making masks in the
Yes,
Maithili,
yes.
with the Maithili culture. It is also very famous all over the India. We have seen that the nowadays khaki dress are
Khaki
also,
products
yes,
are
khaki products are very much encouraged. There are a lot of things which have in
uh,
this lockdown have been.
my friend has taken the name of Bihar, so I'd like to give one more example of a student who has just a dropout, had made a helicopter just by using some garbage. Okay, but he has made a helicopter, and you guys will be amazed that the helicopter is in running mode. He just needs some more parts. That parts is very much expensive, so he is not able to join that part. But the module is in running mode, so you guys will
Yes,
be amazed
Kundu,
with this fact.
Kundu, please share your point of views also. You are
Yeah,
quite.
actually, I was a little disconnected from the meeting, so I just want to say, include 2 points that it has many benefits that the Indian companies, they are mostly benefited, and so that these policies has been introduced so that they can compete with the global companies, by introducing their local goods more and more. Okay, that is the one point, and there is a collateral free loan to the medium, small. All companies can take the loan for their own benefit. That is also that is also introduced in this policy, and the structural reforms and marketing reforms in the agriculture are also introduced there, so that it has totally reformed in their own way in locally. And
Conclusion. Somehow.
okay, so I want to conclude lastly that it is good and it is very helpful to the Indian economy that all the companies have gained a lot due to this Atmanirbhar.
Okay, so I would like to conclude the GD here. Regarding my friend Kundu has already told that the question raised by my friend Atul regarding the successful of the program, Atmanirbhar program, he has already told that it has been successful regarding regarding in the execution area. So I'd like to conclude with some few points regarding with a fact regarding the ISRO chief. has introduced many programs which is just competing the SpaceX market of the Elon Musk. So our own research centers, our own medical areas, our own ready-made products, local products has been encouraged by our current government for the betterment of our country. Thank you for giving me chance.
Yes, and as it was a very good discussion. We all agreed that the Atmanirbhar Bharat was a successful campaign by the Indian government, but
Yes, yes.
there was some but there is some correction part which must one do to be more productable in the field of Atmanirbhar Bharat, that the quality of the product should be maintained. Because if I am taking a example, we the lightings of in the Diwali, if we buy it earlier, it was a if it was of good quality and it was also cheap. But as after the lockdown, the everything from the China has been boycotted. So the lightings were made in the India by the Indian public. So the quality of that was a little degraded, and the price was also increased. So these are the things which must be looked after, because they can't have take they can't take the what I say profit from the loss of the people. If they want to be successful, then they must have produced the product which are according to the consumer of India. So I am with the that Atmanirbhar Bharat is successful, but there be need some correction to be done, so that it will be more efficient for the public of not only India, all over the world. So thank you. It was
Thank you.
all from me. Thank you. It was a very nice discussion.